Looking to capture breathtaking views or provide unique services to your clients? Starting a drone photography business in Malaysia could be your next big move. Malaysia's diverse landscapes, from its urban landscapes to serene beaches, provide endless opportunities for drone photographers. Whether you're interested in aerial real estate photography, event coverage, or tourism, there's a demand for stunning aerial shots that tell a story. To start your drone photography business, you'll need to ensure that you're certified. In Malaysia, the Civil Aviation Authority (CAAM) requires commercial drone operators to be licensed. This ensures safe and legal operations, which is crucial for your business credibility. From weddings to corporate events, businesses are continuously looking for aerial shots to stand out. Your drone can become an invaluable tool for various industries like tourism, real estate, and construction, where top-quality aerial images are essential. Next, you'll need the right equipment and skills. Invest in a reliable drone, camera gear, and editing software to create stunning visuals. Once you're ready, build your portfolio with samples, showcase your work online, and connect with local businesses to market your services. So, whether you're capturing the beauty of Malaysia's natural wonders or helping local businesses boost their marketing with aerial photography, starting a drone photography business is a great way to turn your passion into profit. Ready to take the sky? Contact 3E Accounting Malaysia for all your business needs. Get started today and let your drone photography business soar with the right support.